YourSafe is a privacy-focused fintech platform offering payment accounts for individuals and businesses in USD, EUR, or GBP. Activation requires app-based verification for security. 1. Sign up. Visit yoursafe.com or download the YourSafe app from Google Play or App Store. Click Sign Up. Enter email, create password, and select account type, personal or business. Choose primary currency, USD, EUR, GBP. Add more later. 2. Download and link the app. Install the latest YourSafe app, required for all new accounts. Log in with your email and password or scan QR code from the website. 3. Verify identity, KYC. In the app, go to Profile, Upgrade Account, or Verification Center. Upload government-issued ID, passport or driver's license, and proof of address, utility bill for the last 3 months. Take a clear selfie, good lighting, no hats or glasses. Submit. Manual review by 2+ staff takes 1 to 3 days. Enable auto updates for smooth experience. Or activate and use once approved. Email notification. Add bank details or order a debit MasterCard. Receive payments via SEPA, SWIFT, ACH. No crypto and high-risk support.